What's up, guys? Thomas Edwards, creator and author of The One Up Effect, here to share with you how making my bed changed my life in three very significant ways. So, how did making my bed completely change my life? Well, as someone who didn't have any type of routine, no discipline, and more importantly, no integrity, making my bed was a simple action that changed everything. And I'm going to break it down into three different ways in which it did that for me. So the first thing was it actually gave me some semblance of a routine. That routine of making my bed every day was something that just kept perpetuating itself. While it's very simple and easy and probably trivial, what it did was it actually gave me my first rhythm in living my life every single day, waking up, making my bed, and letting my day go where it may. Now, at the beginning stages, my day was very chaotic, but what grounded me was the actual experience of making my bed. And more importantly, it was my first accomplishment of the day. It was my first win. I mean, I don't want to diminish the value of getting those small wins, but for me, having that small win was huge. And I actually had the added benefit of when my day was done, it was time to go to bed. I had a perfectly well made bed to go to that, for some reason, always feels better than a messy bed. I don't know about you, but it kind of feels like that hotel where someone kind of did the turnover service and I come home to a really nice, comfortable bed. The second thing that it did for my life is that it created some integrity. Once I said I was going to make my bed and I did it, I actually did it. It started to build integrity because previously I was not living as someone who did what they said. And that becomes very problematic, whether it's in your health, in your friendships, in your relationships, both intimate and professional, but also in your career. And for me, I was seeing a lack of integrity in all areas of my life. So saying that I was going to make my bed and actually doing it helped build that momentum that allowed me to feel much more comfortable doing other things like waking up at a particular time every day, eating certain foods every day, meditating, praying, journaling. Once I started to add on top of those things by saying, hey, I'm going to do this, and then actually doing it, it built so much integrity as a foundation for me. And then it started to show up in other parts of my life. I became more reliable. I became more trustworthy. I became someone that people actually could come to and know that, hey, if I said I was going to do something, it was going to get done. And the third thing that it created that completely changed my life was it created dependability. You know, I wasn't dependable, whether it was me depending on myself or others depending on me. And if I knew that the bed needed to be made, I could take it upon myself and say, hey, you can count on me. I will make this bed. This bed will be made every single day. And sure, my wife wasn't into making the bed. She would leave it messy, and that's totally fine. But she also got to benefit from a bed that was well made. And in turn, what ended up happening was it created this environment where we now enjoy having a well made bed. Sometimes she beats me to the punch, and the bed's made before I'm even able to do it. But by being able to have one area of my life that I was very focused on making sure that that was going to be dependable, that you can always count on the bed being made. Once again, it created this foundation where momentum could be built, where I could become dependable in other areas in my life, whether it was me depending on those things or someone depending on me to come through and follow through with something that they needed support or help with. You know, making the bed just is representative of anything, any small thing you could do. It could be drinking a glass of water every morning. It could be waking up at a particular time every morning. It could be meditation. It could be journaling. It could be exercise. It could be reading a book with your kids. It doesn't matter what the actual activity is. What matters is your ability to say that you're going to do it and doing it every single day, and creating a foundation which you can build off of from that very simple activity to then leverage in other parts of your life where you can increase your level of integrity, dependability, and consistency in all areas of your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and comment. Let me know what that activity is for you every single day that people or you can count on to do every day to kind of kick your day off and give you that integrity, that dependability and consistency each and every day. If you think someone can benefit from listening to this video or watching this video, share that with them. Let them know. Please subscribe, and so you get notified that every day when we put up a video, you get notified when we come up. And once again, if you have any questions, you want to learn more about what habits of success looks like, the game that we play, anything about the one-up effect, you can go to oneupeffect.com. Thanks so much, guys. And together, hopefully we can make a game we can win and have fun playing too.